In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Copper CRM. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized workspace that connects with your tools, your team, and your sales process. Start by opening your browser and searching for Copper CRM. Look for the official site in the results. This helps you land on the correct product page without distractions. Once you're on the home page, you should see a clear call to action. Click the option to try Copper free. During sign-up, using your Google account is highly recommended because it gives you the most seamless integration with Gmail, Calendar, and Drive. When prompted, allow the necessary permissions so Copper can sync your emails and events. This makes your communications and scheduling appear right inside the CRM, saving time later. After your account is created, head to Settings, then Account Settings and Open Company. From there, invite new users to add your team. Assign roles or permissions so people only see what they need. For example, sales reps can work their pipeline while managers get broader visibility. Keeping permissions clear prevents accidental changes and keeps data secure. Next, go to Manage Your Data and choose Import Data. You can upload from Excel or CSV files or import directly from other CRMs like Salesforce or Pipedrive. Before you upload, it's worth giving your data a quick cleanup. Make sure names, emails, and company fields are consistent. During the import, map each column to the correct field in Copper. If you're unsure, start with a small sample import to verify everything lines up, then bring in the rest. Now define how work flows through your business with pipelines. Create stages that match your process, such as lead, qualified, presentation, and proposal sent. Keep the stages clear and meaningful so your team knows exactly where each opportunity stands. You can create multiple pipelines for different processes, like sales, onboarding, or recruitment, so each team follows the steps that fit their work. To capture the information that matters to you, go to Customize and then Fields. Add fields like industry or budget if they're not already included. Choose the right field type, text, number, currency, or dropdown, so data stays consistent and easy to filter and report on. Finally, open Automation and then Workflow Automation to create rules with triggers and actions. For example, when an opportunity is marked 1, automatically create a thank you task. Start simple, test with a sample record, and build from there. That's it. You've set up Copper CRM, invited your team, imported data, built pipelines, customized fields, and added time-saving automations. Save your changes, keep refining as you learn, and you're ready to work smarter.